Hello viewers, this is Hezron, Chef Hezy, the chef again, ready to show you how to make butternut squash soup, my style. I hope you enjoy it, I hope you like it, and you'll see how it goes. Welcome, welcome. So from here I'm going to start with the butternut. I've already chopped them up into small dices so that they can cook much more easier. I'm going to put some garlic, some onion, and just a little bit touch of ginger. I'm gonna put some white pepper, cinnamon stick, and some nutmeg just for the flavor, some vegetable oil, some honey, some salt, and some water as well. Dairy free and gluten free as well. So I'm not gonna use any thickening agents, and I'm not gonna use any milk or dairy products, because most of the people that I deal with when I'm at work or when I'm moving around and I'm making food for people, they tell me they have stomach upsets when it comes to consuming dairy items, and for me that's really bad if they cannot enjoy the food they like because it has a dairy item inside or it has been mixed up with something dairy. For that I prefer making dishes that are dairy free and gluten free, and it ends up helping a lot of people, and a lot of people end up enjoying the meals. So this is how I'm gonna start mine. I'm gonna put in some vegetable oil. My pan is always hot, as I said from the first time. I always try to preheat my pan so that when I'm cooking we get the hissing sound. When it's hissing like that, that's when it's cooking. I put in the garlic and the onion and the ginger. I cover it up just to speed up the cooking process. And then I'm gonna put in my spices. As you can see, it's cooking, and the spices are cooking up as well. So the spices are changing color and they are removed up. So I'm gonna add in the butternut squash. And I'm gonna put in the salt. And I'm gonna put in the honey so that they can all cook together and the flavors end up mixing up. And very fast I put in the water. I cover it up and give it about 15 minutes to boil. Because of the amount of heat and the cover and the amount of water, it's gonna cook really fast. I check my squash, it's fully cooked. I switch it off and take it off the fire. Now this is the straining part, blending part to make it a puree. So I'm just gonna go little by little. This is a quite small amount, so it's gonna go like 2-3 rounds. I save the juice. This is where all the flavor is. It's gonna go only 1 round. I save the juice. This is where all the flavor is. I've put it all in 1 round. Make sure your blender is fully locked. I'm gonna be opening it up here because of the hot air. I want for when it's blending to release the hot air, and we'll go. Okay, there you have it. Looks amazing. Smells amazing as well. Very well. Does smell good. Now this is the straining part. It's always advised, once you finish straining any soup, it's good to give it a reboil and then get the consistency and get the flavor, And if you need to hold up anything or top up anything, you do it then. So again, I'm gonna put it back to the fire. Just give it a quick. And as you can see, it looks amazing. So I'm just gonna pour it down to my soup bowl. For a very cold chilly night. And garnish it and serve it. And there is a butternut soup. It tastes amazing, and believe you me, you just put some love into it and everything is gonna turn out great. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe so you can be getting the notifications every time I post a new video. Thank you and have a good